Growing a baby involves the natural process of human reproduction and development. While I can provide some general information, it's important to note that the specific details and guidance regarding pregnancy and baby growth should come from healthcare professionals, such as obstetricians and pediatricians. Here are some key aspects to consider. Preconception health. Before conceiving, it's beneficial for both parents to maintain a healthy lifestyle. This includes eating a balanced diet, exercising regularly, avoiding harmful substances, and managing any pre-existing medical conditions. Prenatal care. Once pregnancy occurs, it's crucial for the expectant mother to seek prenatal care from a healthcare provider. Regular checkups will monitor the health of the mother and baby, provide necessary tests and screenings, and offer guidance on maintaining a healthy pregnancy. Balanced diet. A well-balanced diet during pregnancy is vital for the growth and development of the baby. It should include a variety of fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, and healthy fats. Folic acid, iron, calcium, and other essential nutrients are particularly important. Consult with a healthcare provider for personalized dietary recommendations. Healthy lifestyle. Maintaining a healthy lifestyle throughout pregnancy is essential. This includes getting regular exercise, getting enough sleep, managing stress levels, and staying hydrated. Prenatal vitamins. Taking prenatal vitamins, as recommended by a healthcare provider, helps ensure that both the mother and baby receive adequate nutrients, including folic acid and iron. Avoiding harmful substances. It's important to avoid smoking, alcohol consumption, illicit drugs, and exposure to harmful chemicals, as they can negatively impact the baby's development. Emotional well-being. Emotional well-being is important during pregnancy. Seek support from loved ones, join prenatal classes, and communicate openly with your healthcare provider about any concerns or anxieties you may have. Regular prenatal checkups. Attend all scheduled prenatal checkups to monitor the baby's growth, detect any potential issues, and receive necessary medical guidance. Exercise during pregnancy. Engaging in regular, moderate exercise can have numerous benefits for both the mother and the developing baby. It can help improve mood, increase energy levels, promote healthy weight management, and enhance overall fitness. However, it's important to consult with a healthcare provider to determine safe and appropriate exercises for each stage of pregnancy. Adequate rest and sleep. Pregnancy can often bring about fatigue, so it's important to prioritize rest and ensure you're getting enough sleep. Listen to your body and allow yourself to rest when needed. Consider establishing a comfortable sleep routine and environment to support good sleep quality. Stay hydrated. Drinking an adequate amount of water is crucial for maintaining good health during pregnancy. It helps support the baby's development, aids digestion, prevents dehydration, and can even help alleviate common pregnancy discomforts like constipation. Emotional and social support. Pregnancy can be a time of emotional ups and downs. Seek emotional support from your partner, family, and friends. Joining support groups or prenatal classes can provide opportunities to connect with other expectant parents and share experiences, concerns, and advice. Bonding with your baby. Begin bonding with your baby even before birth. Talk, sing, and read to your baby. Gentle massages and responding to your baby's movements can also help foster a sense of connection. Educate yourself. Take the time to educate yourself about pregnancy, childbirth, and newborn care. Attend childbirth education classes, read books, and reliable online resources to enhance your understanding and feel more prepared for the journey ahead. Plan for postpartum care. It's important to consider postpartum care and support as well. Talk to your healthcare provider about your options, such as postpartum checkups, breastfeeding support, and emotional well-being during the postpartum period. Regular fetal movement. Pay attention to your baby's movements as they grow. Feeling regular fetal movement is a positive sign of your baby's well-being. If you notice any significant changes or a decrease in movement, consult your healthcare provider. Avoiding harmful environmental factors. Minimize exposure to environmental hazards, such as toxic substances, chemicals, pollutants, and radiation. Ensure that your living and working environments are safe and healthy for both you and your baby. Managing pregnancy discomforts. Pregnancy can bring about various discomforts, such as nausea, backaches, and swollen feet. Talk to your healthcare provider about safe and effective ways to manage these discomforts, which may include lifestyle modifications, physical therapy, or specific medications deemed safe during pregnancy. Regular ultrasounds and screenings. Your healthcare provider will schedule regular ultrasounds and screenings throughout your pregnancy to monitor your baby's growth and development, detect any potential abnormalities, and ensure that everything is progressing well. Birth planning and preparation. As your due date approaches, consider creating a birth plan in collaboration with your healthcare provider. Discuss your preferences for pain management, birthing positions, and any specific wishes you may have. Attend childbirth education classes to learn about the labor process, relaxation techniques, and coping strategies. Postpartum recovery. After giving birth, allow yourself time for recovery and adjustment. Follow your healthcare provider's guidance on postpartum care, including proper nutrition, rest, and exercises to aid in your physical recovery. Breastfeeding or formula feeding. Decide whether you plan to breastfeed or formula feed your baby. Both options can provide adequate nutrition for your little one. Seek guidance from healthcare professionals and lactation consultants if you choose to breastfeed, as they can offer valuable support and information. Newborn care. Educate yourself about newborn care, including feeding, bathing, diapering, and general baby hygiene. Prepare your home with necessary supplies and create a safe and nurturing environment for your baby. Seek emotional and social support. The journey of growing a baby can bring about various emotions and challenges. Reach out to your support system, whether it's your partner, family, friends, or online communities, to share your experiences, seek advice, and find comfort in knowing that you're not alone. Maintain good oral hygiene. Pregnancy hormones can increase the risk of dental problems, such as gum disease and tooth decay. Practice good oral hygiene by brushing your teeth twice a day, flossing regularly, and visiting your dentist for checkups and cleanings. Monitor weight gain. Keep track of your weight gain during pregnancy. While weight gain is expected and necessary for a healthy pregnancy, excessive weight gain can pose risks. Consult with your healthcare provider to determine a healthy weight gain range based on your pre-pregnancy BMI. Avoid certain foods. Some foods may pose risks during pregnancy due to the potential for foodborne illnesses or harmful substances. Avoid raw or undercooked seafood, unpasteurized dairy products, deli meats, and certain types of fish high in mercury. Consult with your healthcare provider for a comprehensive list of foods to avoid. Stay informed about pregnancy milestones. Educate yourself about the different stages and milestones of pregnancy. Understand what changes you can expect in your body and how your baby is developing week by week. This knowledge can help you stay informed and connected with the progress of your pregnancy. Prepare for labor and delivery. As your due date approaches, learn about different labor and delivery techniques, pain management options, and positions that can facilitate a smoother birthing process. Attend prenatal classes or workshops to gain knowledge and build confidence in your ability to give birth. Practice self-care. Prioritize self-care throughout your pregnancy. Engage in activities that promote relaxation, reduce stress, and help you feel nurtured. This may include taking walks, practicing prenatal yoga or meditation, indulging in hobbies, or seeking professional prenatal massages. Communicate with your healthcare provider. Establish open and regular communication with your healthcare provider. Discuss any concerns, ask questions, and actively participate in your prenatal care. Building a strong relationship with your healthcare team can provide you with the support and guidance you need throughout your pregnancy. Prepare your home for the baby. Create a safe and welcoming environment for your baby by preparing their nursery or designated sleeping area. Install necessary safety features, such as baby gates and cabinet locks. Gather essential baby items, including clothing, diapers, and bedding. Enjoy the journey. Growing a baby is a remarkable experience. Embrace the changes in your body, cherish the moments of feeling your baby move, and celebrate each milestone along the way. Take time to connect with your partner and involve them in the pregnancy journey as well.